In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sidebar in Google Sites. If you want your site navigation to appear along the side instead of across the top, Google Sites makes that adjustment very easy. This can be especially helpful if your site has multiple pages and you want visitors to move through the content more clearly. I'll walk you through the exact settings you need to change. To get started, open your Google site in editing mode. Make sure you're on the site where you want to update the navigation layout. Once the site is open, take a moment to look at the top right corner of the editors, because that's where the settings you need are located. Next, click the settings icon in the top right area of the screen. This opens the site settings panel where you can control things like navigation behavior and other layout preferences. If you don't immediately see the option you need, don't worry. It's inside the navigation section. In the settings panel, go to the navigation section. This is where Google Sites lets you choose how your menu will be displayed for visitors. The navigation style affects the overall structure and feel of your website, so this is an important setting if you're trying to make your site easier to browse. Once you're in the navigation section, find the mode option. You should see a downward arrow next to it. Click that arrow to open the drop-down menu. This menu lets you switch between the available navigation layouts. From the drop-down, click Side. As soon as you select it, your site's navigation will be set to display as a sidebar instead of the default top navigation. This gives your website a different layout style and can make page links feel more organized, particularly on content-heavy sites. After selecting Side, it's a good idea to preview your site and make sure the new navigation layout looks the way you want. Check that your pages are easy to find and that the sidebar fits well with the rest of your design. If needed, you can always return to the same settings area and change the navigation mode again later. And that's it. That's how to add a sidebar in Google Sites. Once you know where the setting lives, it only takes a few seconds to update.